Hey, g'day my friends, how are you? So have a look at my T-54. I've got the gun in now, which is cool. We've got this side machine gun here, where the loader will be working. I think I might have to break his seat and move it a bit out of whack, I think. It wasn't easy putting this together, getting this gun in, because you've got to put the side on. That goes, you see that attaches to the front there? And to get these two to fit in, you need to put this on, the top bit on, to actually make sure you're getting it in the right position. But yeah, getting the top part ready now. So that's got a sort of a different color to that. Be a bit darker. And then it's got a little bit of metallic up the front. So I'm just about ready to put that in. I'm just going to let that dry for a bit, paint up some of the details. And then I'm going to, before I start doing any of the exterior work, so installing the exterior parts, I'm going to install this. So we'll put this on, and then I'm going to fill it with some good Tamiya putty. So they're lacquer-based putty, and give it a really good sand up. So we're going to make it one piece, because it isn't, you know, it's a cast turret, so we shouldn't have lines going through the middle of it. But look at all this detail. It's really nice. He's got all these ammunition there for his machine gun underneath. It's actually really cool. Don't want to drop it. So many delicate parts on it. But all these parts that come out are a little annoying. Like, you can't sort of put your gun down like that, which is annoying. So yeah, that's coming along well. So the next stage is to get this part together. So we'll get this together, and then we can start to fill all the gaps. I'll show you if it goes on. Oh, you need to jig it into place a little bit, but it goes together. Yeah, there you go. And you see how these bits here line up at the top? And then what we've got to do is get rid of this dirty big line. So I'm not going to put any of the stuff on yet. We'll get rid of that, and then we'll start to install the parts. It says to, you know, install them all before you go and put it on, but no, we won't do it that way. So the machine gun fits through nicely. And we got the scope, goes through all right. Everything seems to be fitting all good. Move on to the next step, eh? It's a nice tank. It's going to take me a long time to build, but just slowly, a bit every day. Alright my friends, so good to see you again. A quick update on the old T-54, and I'll speak to you again soon.